Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer, and in this video we're going to focus on some of the add-up features that we have in CouponBet. So CouponBet has been expanded tremendously and we're working more and more to improve it even more. And one of the things I would like to show you about is the visas. So right now you're aware that we have the visas, and if you select on here, currently before we had 5 checklists for visas. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you would search it for a country and maybe you're not sure, for example, Afghanistan, we have right now no checklist for them. However, if you click on this, you know, all right, this is no checklist available, it's required, you have some information, you can go to the embassy. However, maybe you're looking for any other checklist, and you can see we have close to 30 checklists for all those destinations. You can see Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, China, Czech Republic, Denmark. You can see there's a lot of information. Let's click here on Japan. And once you click on Japan, you can see all the information that we have for the Japanese things, and you can also print them out. So once you click on print, you can click this and you see here all the information, and you can just print this out and give it to your customer. Of course, you say, well, it's all the information for of your company. Yes, we also store all the information of the company in here, so no problem about that. As you can see here, we have your details, and also in the footer there's some contact details. Of course, these are all fictional, and well, let's not save this in PDF. However, you can save it in PDF or you can print it to give your customer, and your logo will appear here. So maybe we're on the, all right, how do I do this? Well, very simple. Just go here, click to My Settings, then select My Account, and in Account you can just select here on Company Details and click here Edit Details. You just edit your details here, and what you edit here, let's say here 999. I'm not even sure if that's really an existing zip code, but let's update this. Alright, this has been updated, and let's go back to our visas, and let's see. You can see here right now it's updated, and you can see here instantly once it works. So I'm just clicking on this Afghanistan, and then we just open any one of those, and then we click here on print the Australian visa, and you should see here, as you can see now here, 999. Let's zoom in to see, make it clear. You can see this has been updated. So this is really how it works. It's very straightforward and very useful for you to quickly use this and give it to your customers.